Wow, we're back. This time I want to talk about basin wastes. Here we go. So if you've got a basin like this and you've got a waste that doesn't work, maybe it's one of those wastes where you push it in and it jumps up, you can service them. You can take them out, lubricate them and rewash them. But here we go. This is another little tip that I've got. Here you have a replacement. It's got the pop-up mechanism inside. So if you've got one of these, it doesn't work, take the top out and slide it in. Waste. So I've taken the plug out, simply push it in, done, it's fixed. This was probably about 10-12 quid on Amazon. Here's one I did earlier. Let's take, for example, if you need to put a new waste in. First thing you've got to consider is, does it have a built-in overflow? Here we've got a hole here, and this will go on the overflow on the basin. There's the overflow. You put a bead of silicone across the top there. Slide it in. Then you put a bead of silicone around. Put the washer on, put the silicone in, and then you tighten it up.